Hi there, I was just about to make some cookies. I just need my flour. Here we are, now I'm all set. It's going to be delicious. Hi sweethearts, it's Linda. Today we're making the best homemade chocolate chip cookies. Cheaper than buying them, and they taste like a big warm hug. First, let's save money right from the start. Grab your pantry staples, no fancy ingredients needed. We'll need 2/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Whisk these together in a medium bowl and set aside. Easy, right? In your large bowl, cream together 1 cup of softened butter and 1/4 cup granulated sugar and 1/4 cup packed brown sugar until light and fluffy, about 2 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 large eggs, one at a time, mixing well after each. Smells amazing already, doesn't it? Now gradually mix in your dry ingredients. Don't overmix, just until combined. We want tender cookies, not tough ones. Time for the good part. Stir in 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. If you like nuts, add 1 cup of chopped walnuts here too. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Celsius. Line your baking sheets with parchment paper. It saves cleanup and prevents sticking. Smart, right? Use a tablespoon or cookie scoop to drop rounded balls of dough onto the sheets, about 2 inches apart. They'll spread just enough. Pop them in the oven for 9 to 11 minutes. They should be golden around the edges, but still soft in the center. That's the secret to chewy cookies. While they bake, let's talk savings. Making these at home costs about half of store-bought, and you get that fresh from the oven smell for free. Take them out and let them cool on the sheet for 2 minutes. They'll firm up perfectly. Then transfer to a wire rack. Look at that melty chocolate. These are soft, chewy, and full of love. Your family will thank you. Store them in an airtight container. They stay fresh for a week. Or freeze the dough balls and bake whenever you need a quick treat. So there you go, homemade chocolate chip cookies that save you money and make your house smell like heaven. If you try this recipe, tag me in your photos. I'd love to see your smiling faces enjoying them. Thanks for being with me today, sweethearts. Hit that like button if you're saving money and eating cookies, and subscribe for more budget-friendly tips. Full recipe in the description below. See you next time. Love you lots. Bye for now.